What's going on? What is up? Welcome back to Planet de Pedro. And today, I'm gonna show you how to cook pinakbet. What is pinakbet? Pinakbet is a vegetable dish originally from the northern part of the Philippines. Is one of the most iconic Ilocano dishes. It's healthy because the ingredients consist mostly of vegetables from the farm. Mga original nagluto ng pinakbet is farmers, mga Ilocano, and I'm an Ilocano. Proud to be Ilocano. Ito yung isa sa mga niluluto nila pag pupunta sila ng farm, babaunin nila, yun ang lunch nila. Through time and generations from generations na nagpass, nag-evolve yung pinakbet from the vegetables that they use, from the protein or the meat that they use, yung bagoong na ginagamit, the process on how they cook it, at kung saan nila niluluto yung pinakbet. Marami na nag-evolve, but the most important thing is pinakbet is nakilala sa buong mundo and people are still enjoying it, and I can't think of how many types and varieties na nanggaling sa pinakbet na nag-evolve through time. Overall, cooking Filipino food is not based on exact measurements. It's not based on the ingredients na ito lang ang pwede mong gamitin. No. So, depende sa panlasa mo. Depende kung ano yung taste ng family mo. Kaya, talagang pag nagluluto ko ng Filipino food, especially ang pinakbet, talagang masasabi mong sa'yo, you own the dish. Kasi nga, lahat ng process, lahat ng lasa, na ingredients, igaling sa panlasa mo. Okay, so let's dive in and start cooking. First, wash the vegetables thoroughly under running water and drain. Cut the garlic, onions, ginger, and tomato. Next, cut the vegetables into bite size. For pinakbet, I cut the veggies a little bigger because the veggies will shrink after cooking. That is why it's called pinakbet, meaning to shrink, or pinakbet in Ilocano. Veggies in pinakbet are usually basic Filipino farm vegetables or anything that is found in the bahay kubo song, if you are familiar with it. Cut meat into smaller pieces for easy cooking. Choice of meat depends on your liking. I use pork on this dish, but you can use chicken, fried fish, dried fish, beef, and you can also add shrimps. On a medium flame, put oil in a pan, let it heat up for a couple of minutes, then add the pork and let it brown. This way, the natural oil from the pork gives it more flavor. Then set aside. Originally, pinakbet is cooked in a clay pot or palayok in the old days. But my way is to saute all the ingredients together, then finish it off in a clay pot. It just gives an authentic feel to it. On the same pan, saute garlic, onion, tomato, and ginger. Then add the vegetables. Saute until all ingredients are mixed properly. Doing this adds more flavor to your pinakbet. Flame on medium, then transfer the browned pork and sauteed vegetables into a pot. Depending on your preference, I added 2 cups of water, covered the pot to simmer, then added 3 tablespoons of bagoong alamang or sauteed shrimp paste of my choice. Cover pot, let it boil for 8 to 10 minutes. Then I added a handful of kamote or taro leaves and cooked for about 1 minute. Turn off the flame and you are done. Easy pinakbet is ready to be served. Enjoy! Good to serve.